Hey guys, want to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is be a subscriber to this channel, hit the like button, and type the code word that will pop up somewhere in this video. And once I reach 7,000 subscribers, I will randomly pick the comment with the code word, and that person will win the free money. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money today, hit that subscribe button. Now let's get into this video. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 best apps to make money on your phone for 2021. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It's really going to help out my channel. It's going to help out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions. Any questions at all about this method. Now guys, I have an Instagram page. I'm trying to get my followers up. So after this video, go to Instagram, search for App Grind, give me a follow, shoot me a DM if you have any questions about any of my videos, or if you have any suggestions on future videos that you want me to make. Now, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because a code word is going to pop up somewhere in this video. As soon as you see that code word, type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 7,000 subscribers. Now, without further ado, let me hop over to this site and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it.
All right, family, I'm at the first app and I'm at their website. Name of this app is Spoke. So with this app, you're going to be making money with videos and photos that you upload. And as you can see, it's available with the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store. Now, this is how it works. So you're going to simply upload your videos and photos to earn cash. When a brand, agency, or just anyone who finds your work outstanding purchases a video or photo from your online portfolio, we share the profits with you 50-50. So you're going to take part in creative video and photo missions for brands and win hundreds of dollars. Submitting a video or photo to one of our missions is an easy way to make your hobby even more profitable. And I'll show you in a minute what they're talking about as far as submitting your photos or videos to a mission. And as you can see here, it was on ABC News. Here's a video, you can check it out. And these are the brands that work with this app. So you got Volvo, Heineken, Bank of America. Those are some big time brands that's working with this app, guys. Now, what I'm going to do is go to missions, because I'm going to show you how these missions work. So I'm at the missions page, and as you can see here, they have all different type of missions. And look how much you can win. So if they pick your video or photo, on this one, if they pick your video, you're going to win $300, guys. And here's one right here, you can win $80. If they pick your photo, here's another one, you can win $600 if they pick your photo. So guys, you can make some good money just submitting a photo or video, guys, to on one of these missions. Now, what I'm going to do, guys, is go to the app because I want to show you the rating. Okay, guys, I'm at the app. I'm in the Google Play Store. And as you can see here, out of 5 stars, it's 3.2. Now, I know that's kind of low, guys, but what happens is sometimes, the app probably could have some little glitches every now and then. And people that download the app, they don't, they'll get frustrated if the app has a few bugs here and there, and they're going to put down a low rating. But as you can see here, the folk customer service does reply and let you know, hey, we're going to fix the problem. So that's some good customer service. I'm not going to read these reviews, guys. You can come here and check out these reviews. I just want to show you the rating. So if you're ready to go ahead and start making money selling photos and videos, you can find Folk app at the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Now let me go to the next app. Okay, guys, I'm at the next app, and the name of this app is DOS. So it says here, DOS, save money, get cash back when you shop. So this is a cash back app, guys. So every time you shop, you're going to get cash back. So get automatic cash back. And these are some of the stores and some of the companies that you can get cash back from. Uber, Old Navy, Grubhub, Apple Music. So you have thousands of brands and over 600,000 hotels to choose from, guys. That's something. And so you get cash back on hotels, and you make money while you shop and eat. And you're going to get paid real cash when you get this cash back, guys. And then you can refer friends and even make even more money. Now let's just read a little bit more. So it says, get automatic cash back when you shop and dine with DOS. Get extra cash back for dining and shopping and booking hotels. And again, here are some of the companies and brands that work with this app. So you have Walmart, Costco, Dunkin', Office Depot, Forever 21, PetSmart, eBay, DoorDash, Uber. So again, you're going to get automatic cash back when you link your credit cards to DOS, thousands of local restaurants, cash back on travel, and also online offers, guys. And you can use this cash however you want. You can transfer your cash to a bank account, Venmo, or PayPal, guys, or you can just donate. Now let's look at the rating. So out of 5 stars, look at here, 4.4 stars, guys. And anything over 4 stars is a very good app. So this is a very good app, guys. And again, I'm not going to, since I don't want to make this video too long, I'm not going to read none of the reviews. You can come here and check it out for yourself. So if you're ready to go ahead and start making money with this app, go ahead and go to DOS in the Google Play Store. Now let me go to the third and final app. Okay, family, I'm at the third and final app. The name of this app is Google Opinion Rewards. This is one of the best apps, guys, you can download to make some money just giving your opinion. So let me just scroll down here and read a little bit about it. So answer quick surveys, earn Google Play credit, and Google Opinion Rewards, an app created by the Google Surveys team. So getting started is easy. Just download the app, answer basic questions about yourself. We'll then send you surveys around once a week, although it may be more or less frequent. And you can receive, guys, $1 for each survey, guys. And let's look at the rating. So out of 5 stars, it's 4.2. Excellent, guys, excellent. So that's all I'm gonna say about this app, guys. It's just really, simple, straight to the point. It's a survey app, and you can make $1 for each app that you answer surveys. And it's a real good app that you need to check out, guys. just go ahead and go to the Google Play Store and download the app and get started making this money.
Now, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 50 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about these apps. And please share this all around the internet, because I really do want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day and I don't want you to miss out. Now guys, I try to do this every video. I do shout outs. So what I do is randomly pick a comment and I flash that comment on the screen. So today's shout out goes to this person right here. Thank you for your comment. Hope you're a subscriber. Please keep watching all my videos. Keep hitting that like button. And if you're sharing it, please share my videos. All right, guys, that's it. Thanks again. Road to 7,000 subscribers. Let's get there. Let's go. Let's get there by the end of October. It's October right now. I want to get there by the end of October. All right, guys, one more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace, and have a prosperous day.